Good morning, Standard 5 children. Today we are going to start our 9th chapter, more about internet services. Okay, at page number 119. So, in this chapter we are going to talk about internet. Okay, so I know you are already knowing about the internet. You are already familiar with this internet. Okay, internet, it's a modern communication technology. All of you know this. Communication technology means here technology of sharing data, technology where we can do chatting, technology where we can transfer data, information to other people. Okay, so that is called communication technology. Okay, so it's a modern technology, and it's very useful tool, isn't it? It's a very useful tool for everyone. Okay, here we can do chatting with people, we can share ideas, we can send, receive emails, we can play online games, and most important thing, search information. All these things we can do on internet, isn't it? So this is our internet services chapter. Okay, now connecting to the internet. This is our first topic given in this chapter, connecting to the internet. The 4 basic requirement for connecting with the internet. This we have already seen in standard 4. Okay, we need a computer system, computer system first of all. Then we require one modem, modulator and demodulator. I explained you which can interchange signals. Okay, analog into digital, digital into analog, means telephone line signals into computer signal and computer signals into telephone line signals. Okay, modulator, demodulator, that is a model. Okay, then ISP means internet service providing companies. Okay, so examples are written here: Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, Reliance, then MTNL. Many more companies are here in market. Okay, many companies are there which provides us internet access. We cannot access internet directly. Okay, we don't have such access because it is very expensive, so we cannot access internet directly. So we require ISP, these type of companies which provides us internet access, and then we pay to these companies, isn't it? We pay them. Okay, internet services. Then web browser, it's a special software, isn't it? So this one, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox. I hope it can be seen. Okay, so these are web browsers which we require to open websites and web pages. Okay, it's a special software. It should be installed into your computer system, into your mobile phone. Okay, so these are basic requirements for internet connection. Now there are numerous ways to connect our laptop, desktop, mobile phone, gaming consoles, e-readers and tablets to the internet. Many options are there. Okay, wireless one, radio frequency band. Okay, so wireless, this one we can use for internet connection. Wi-Fi, you are already knowing about the Wi-Fi, this technology, even we use it every day, so Wi-Fi, wireless connection. Then mobile phone, many companies mobile like Jio, popular one. Okay, gives voice calling facility with internet access, isn't it? Jio. Jio phones, I hope you have seen it, small black color Jio phones, है ना? So voice calling facility is there with the internet access. So through mobile phone we can connect to the internet. Okay, then hotspots, these are sites which provides us internet connection. Okay, hotspot. The hotspot uses Wi-Fi facility. Okay, that technology, Wi-Fi technology. Okay. So hotspot can be used for internet connection. It is phone based. Generally we use it on in our phones. Hotspot connection. And then there is a commercial connection also and free to the public also. Okay. In some places no, you get free hotspot connections, internet one. Okay. So these are dial-up connection. Okay. So dial-up connection. For this we require a telephone line to connect to the internet. Okay, our computer can connect to the internet using the telephone line. That is dial-up connection. Then comes broadband. So broadband, it's a high-speed transmission technology. Okay, so broadband. Then broadband, which is high-speed technology, no? So in this we have several type of connection. Okay, broadband connection, we have several types of connection like DSL and cable connection. It can Wi-Fi and satellite connection. So broadband connection. Okay, so it can be a DSL connection, can be cable connection. Okay. So broadband, DSL, it stands for digital subscriber line, DSL. Okay, and cable connection, you know, cable TV connection. Through cable TV also we can get internet access. Okay, so satellite also, there is satellite connection in some places. Okay, like in high hilly areas. Okay, remote places where broadband connections are not available, so there we use satellite connections. Okay, generally our military forces, they use satellite connection. Okay, so there are numerous ways to connect to the internet. Okay. So in our book two technologies are discussed, dial-up connection and broadband connection. So first picture this picture I took from your book. Okay, dial-up connection picture. Here you can see this is computer system, this is modem. Okay, modulator, demodulator, I explained you, and this is telephone line. Okay, and this is switching center. So through telephone line, internet signals, it comes through telephone line to the computer system. Okay. So this is our dial-up connection. It is very slow connection. Okay, it provides very slow connection to the internet. So nowadays people don't use this. Yes, of course, in some places where broadband is not available, other facilities are not available, so there we can use, people are using dial-up also, but it is very slow one. First, its a drawback is it is very slow, and second thing, you know, it does not permit user to make or receive phone calls while using internet. Okay, when you are working on internet, so that time you cannot make any phone call, you cannot receive any phone call. Understood? No? So this is dial-up connection. It is also known as analog connection, one way. Okay, means internet, if you are using internet, you cannot use this telephone line for talking, for chatting with someone. Then it requires phone line. Okay, it requires a link of phone line to the computer. Understood? Phone line it requires, and it is very slow connection. So this is our dial-up connection. Slow in speed, makes noise also. It makes a loud sound when connecting to the internet. So it is rarely used nowadays. Okay. I hope you understood this dial-up connection. Dial-up connection. Huh? Then next is broadband connection. Okay, broadband connection. It is a wireless internet connection. Okay. So very high speed connection. It is very high speed transmission technology. Okay. Technology, it can be digital subscriber line, DSL. Okay, it can be cable TV. Okay, through cable TV we can get a connection, this broadband connection. Okay, cable TV vendors know which provides us access to different TV channels, so they can provide us internet access also. But for this we require one cable modem. Okay, so cable TV connection vendors know they will give us one cable modem. Okay, then only we can get access to the internet. Okay, so that is broadband connection. It is very high speed connection. Okay, for internet. Okay, and digital subscriber line connection. Okay, so in this also we use one phone line, but it is very high speed, not slow like dial-up connection. It also uses phone line, but it is very high speed connection, and it does not get interrupted with the phone calls. Okay, so means it allows us to make phone calls during surfing on internet. Okay, so this is our broadband connection. So broadband connection is most popular connection. Okay, it uses radio frequency bands to connect to the internet. Radio waves, in senior classes you will learn about radio waves. Okay, there are different types of waves. Okay, so one of them, radio wave, is there, which provides us wireless broadband connection. Okay, so it is very high speed connection, and that's it. So wireless connection can be obtained by the Wi-Fi technology or by the Bluetooth technology. Okay, so this is broadband. I hope you understood this. Okay, and satellite, I told you, satellite internet connection we use in remote areas where broadband connection is not available. Okay, so there, in those places we use satellite. It is generally available for army forces. Okay, military forces, they use it. Okay, so this is topic we have completed now, dial-up connection and broadband connection. Now next topic is sending emails. Okay, emails. There are several advantages of email. Email, it's a short form of electronic mail. A mail or a message which we can send through computer. It's called email. है ना? Email. I think you are you know about this email. Okay. So message which is sent from one computer to another computer is called electronic mail. Okay. And to send this type of mail, there are several websites. Okay, popular one is Gmail. I hope you know this. Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo Mail, Rediff Mail, many are there. Okay, so email nowadays, no, this is modern technology era, computer technology era. So for sending messages nowadays we use email. Okay, because it is very fast. very fast. Okay, fast services, faster than the old traditional mail services. Okay, so that is why we use it. So advantage, quick delivery and reply of message, convenient to use. Okay, you have to open your mobile phone or open your computer and that any website, Gmail or Yahoo Mail, you have to open to write emails. Okay, same message can be sent to a group of people at no extra cost. Same message can be sent to group of people without paying extra money. Okay, and there is no limitation of number. Telegram, no? Have you heard about the Telegram? Yes, in Telegram, no, there was limitation of numbers. As the number words exceeds, no, so we have to pay accordingly. We had to pay accordingly. Number of words, according to number of words, we had to pay to the postal department. Okay, for the Telegram. But in email, there is not such any problem. Okay, so there is no limitation of numbers. Then documents, any type of document, any image, video can be sent. Okay, with email. Okay, as an attachment. So these are advantages of email. Okay. Okay. Now to use this service, email service, no, email facility, we need one email ID. What do we need here? One email ID. To send and receive an email, we require an email ID. To get email ID, we need to create Okay, to send email and to receive an email, we require an email ID. Okay, so to get email ID, we need to create an email account. What do we need to create here? So we need to create an email account on any email website. Okay, any email website. So to create an email account, we need to fill up an online form. Okay, when you opens this Gmail website. Okay, so Gmail website will provide you an online form to fill up. Okay, to create email ID. Okay, so first of all we will see what is email ID. So there are three parts of email ID. First one is user's name. Okay, here ABCDEF. I made this email ID. Okay, ABCDEF. This part it is called username. This is @ symbol. Okay, @ symbol. And after that @ symbol, this is Gmail website. Okay, so this is email website name. Okay, so this is email ID. Okay, what we should have? Username plus @ symbol plus email website provider name. Okay, this is gmail.com. I hope you understood this. Okay, email ID, there are three parts of email ID. Clear? Now this is form. Okay, here it is written create an account. When you click on this, so to create an email account, we have to fill this form. Okay, we have to fill this box.